Hello everyone. So how is it? We are back for the 10 weeks of Yuktahar project. Hi Vikash. I really would want to know who all did the Kunja Kriya today. How was the Sunday, a different Sunday with the Kriya? Okay. So we have a lot of people here. So let me start the live. So हमने आज कुंजर क्रिया किया है. So keeping up with the same theme, today we are going to talk about the dental hygiene of Yuktahar. So again ये किताब में है, but we are just going through the important points. You can do it from tonight. सोने के पहले you should clean your teeth. So this is something जो आप अभी से शुरू कर सकते हैं, and in fact you should continue this for the next not only 10 weeks but forever. So number one thing that what you should not do is that you should not use the industrialized mouthwash, the antibiotics or the antiseptic mouthwash that is usually given by dentists. उसको तभी यूज़ करना चाहिए when we are having some kind of infection, किसी तरह की प्रॉब्लम है, तब वो एक शॉर्ट पीरियड के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है in the form of say like a medicine, but it is not to be used on a daily basis for dental care. Because हमारा जो मुंह है, the mouth cavity, it is the second most diverse biome in the body. मतलब हमारे माउथ में हमारे गट के बाद हमारा गट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट, एंड गट के बाद माउथ इज़ द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट प्लेस जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा बैक्टीरिया, गुड बैक्टीरिया हार्बर करते हैं. And we need these good bacteria so that they can fight for us, they can protect us. It's very important. पर जब हम ये daily basis पे mouth wash use करते हैं, then the population of the gut bacteria starts decreasing, or it is not good for us. Again, a very important point, many people don't know that a good dental care, a good dental hygiene is directly connected with weight loss. So अगर आप बहुत ट्राई कर रहे हैं वेट लूज करने का, बट यू फील दैट none of your efforts ever show any results, then maybe you should check your teeth. Maybe your gums bleed, maybe you have bad breath. Any kind of basically dental issues can create difficulty in losing weight. So keeping your mouth clean and hygienic, which doesn't mean that it has to be sterile. Don't use a lot of antiseptics, but it has to be taken good care of. उससे ना ही सिर्फ weight loss में फ़र्क पड़ता है, but a lot of other diseases are also connected. Like there's been a research that depression is connected with poor dental hygiene, rheumatoid arthritis, and so many other diseases all are connected to dental hygiene. So we need to therefore take very good care of our teeth. एंड द वे टू गो अबाउट इट, वो कैसे करना है वही मैं आपको आज बताने वाली हूँ. आप उसे आज से शुरू करिए एंड प्लीज कंटिन्यू दिस फॉर एज मैनी फॉर एवर बेसिकली. सो पहला चीज़ है इज ऑयल पुलिंग. ऑयल पुलिंग रिसेंटली बहुत न्यूज़ में है, सो आई एम होपिंग अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल नो अबाउट इट. नहीं जानते हैं तो आई एम अगेन होपिंग कि जिन्होंने किताब पढ़ी है उन्हें ऑलरेडी पता है व्हाट इज़ ऑयल पुलिंग. सो ऑयल पुलिंग जो है कोकोनट ऑयल और सेसमे ऑयल दोनों से किया जा सकता है. सो यूज़ द कोल्ड प्रेस्ड वर्जन. कोल्ड प्रेस्ड इज नथिंग बट द कच्ची घानी तेल. So use the kachi ghani coconut oil or the sesame oil. In the sesame oil you can even mix in a little clove oil, but don't use it if you are very prone to ulcers, because clove is heating in nature. Clove गर्मास देता है, and अगर आपका already nature है to get ulcers or to get boils inside the mouth, अगर बहुत आपका जल्दी से हो जाता है, it is your tendency, then you should avoid the clove oil. Also, if you're having any right or any kind of swellings or anything in the mouth, then you should avoid clove oil. But coconut oil is something which has no contraindications. बहुत safe है. It's a very neutral oil. So you just take 15 ml of good quality coconut oil, swish it inside your mouth. You have to do it early morning, first thing when you get up. मॉर्निंग में उठते ही आपको जो भी आपको पीना है, इवन बिफोर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, यू शुड बी डूइंग द ऑयल पुलिंग. So take 15 ml coconut oil, just swish it around your mouth. Usually मैंने देखा है कि बहुत लोग जो यू नो बिगिनर्स बेसिकली जो ये पहली बार कर रहे हैं उन लोग बहुत देर तक ये नहीं कर पाते हैं. सो इवन इफ यू डू दिस फॉर 2 to 3 minutes इट इज़ फाइन. धीरे धीरे आप इसको ग्रेजुअली 15 to 20 minutes तक धीरे धीरे इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं. देयर इज़ नो रश. And once you finish this, then you can just spit it out and then rinse it with warm water. So this is something that is going to take care of a lot of these bad bacteria and pathogens which come in the mouth, क्योंकि हम खाना खाते हैं और हमारे खाने से, हमारे हाथों से, just the bacteria in the air, वो सब के थ्रू मुंह में बैक्टीरिया, पैथोजेंस, बेसिकली बैड बैक्टीरिया आना बहुत स्वाभाविक है. बट ऑयल पुलिंग कैन टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल दोज. And the benefit is this, that it will take care of the good ones also. It will see to it that the good ones flourish, that the good ones are not wiped out. Now that is something which your conventional mouthwashes don't do. So that is the number one thing. The other thing is the toothpaste. So again, don't go for the industrialized toothpaste, चाहे उसमें जितना भी advertisements हो नमक के बारे में या आपके कितने भी favorite actors हो उसको endorse कर रहे हो. It is always better to go for natural alternatives, and that is why I have these bartans today here in front of me. The most amazing one is neem datun. नीम दातुन इज़ नथिंग बट नीम के पेड़ के छोटे छोटे ट्विग्स हैं. बहुत सारे रिमोट एरियाज ऑफ अ कंट्री में, इंडिया में आज तक ये यूज़ किया जाता है. इनफैक्ट नीम दातुन यू कैन लुक फॉर इट इवन इन Amazon. It is really available in Amazon. But if you really don't want to again spend that kind of money, like just outside my office there is a neem tree, outside my house there is a neem tree, and I live in Bandra, which is quite a metropolitan place. So अगर I believe Bandra जैसी जगह में नीम का पेड़ है, then I feel that हर कहीं नीम का पेड़ मिल ही जाता है. And you can always get those twigs and branches, and उससे you just need to clean your teeth, just use it as a toothbrush. उसके धीरे धीरे bristles झड़ने लगेंगे. You keep chewing on it, उसके juices भी अंदर जाने लगेंगे. So you can taste the neem juices. You can feel them inside your tongue. And let me tell you, neem juice again is so detoxifying that even that small 2 to 3 ml that goes inside your body can really work like magic. It can give you a good skin. It can give you good hair. सो इट्स लाइक एक पंथ दो काज कि आपने ना ही सिर्फ अपना माउथ कैविटी क्लीन किया है, इट्स ऑल्सो वर्किंग ग्रेट फॉर योर बॉडी एंड योर हेल्थ एंड योर स्किन एंड हेयर एंड एवरीथिंग. सो दैट इज़ वन थिंग. इफ़ यू फाइंड दिस वेरी डिफिकल्ट कि नहीं मिल रहा है, even though I don't see why this is difficult, because it's really available at Amazon and also just available in the form of trees outside. You just need to go and probably ask your security कि भैया नीम का पेड़ कहाँ है, and he will show you. So that is what I did. So that is what advice I can give to you. But the second option is this that I'm trying to show to you right now. And this again, I personally used to have this tendency of bleeding gums. And I went to a few of the dentists and I tried a whole lot of things, with lots of vitamins and a lot of other things. But what worked for me was this. I did this for 2 months continuously. I started getting results even like as short as 20-25 days, and by the end of 2 months I just didn't have the bleeding gums at all. Like something that was really troubling me for so long was just it just khatam hi ho gaya. It just vanished because I just used this. And this is something that I use a lot with my clients because they find this a lot of people find this easy, a lot of people find the neem thing easy. आप इनको alternate भी कर सकते हैं. Like I usually alternate. So what I do is that because the neem really requires a little time because you want to like kind of chew on it, तो उसमें वक्त लगता है. तो जिस दिन मुझे बहुत रश है ऑफिस जाने का and I'm late already, then I skip the neem and I use this. And जिस दिन मुझे लगता है that I have good time in hand, then those days I use the neem. So ये क्या है, again इसके बारे में book में है, but I'm just trying to show everything right now as a part of the project practically, so that we come out of the book and we start applying it in our lives. So this is nothing but namak. I hope you can see. So this is not the normal namak. This is sendha namak, or you can use rock salt, or you can use the Himalayan pink salt. एंड ये जो नमक है इसको मैंने थोड़ा सा मिक्सी में और महीन कर दिया है, बिकॉज यूजुअली रॉक सॉल्ट क्या होता है, दे आर लिटिल मोटे होते हैं. सो बिकॉज इनके इफेक्ट्स अच्छे आए उसके लिए ये इसको महीन कर दिया है. जस्ट चर्नड इट ड्राई चर्न किया है मिक्सी में. सो दिस इज 1 teaspoon ऑफ नमक एंड दिस इज ½ teaspoon ऑफ हल्दी, just normal haldi which we use in the kitchen, and this is mustard oil, and this is again the Kachi Ghani mustard oil. So these are three things, only these three things that you need. And what you do is then you mix the namak and the haldi together. So I'm going to mix them and just mix them like that. So 1 teaspoon namak and आधा teaspoon haldi, and then I'm going to add mustard oil जो मैंने आपको दिखाया है. एंड मस्टर्ड ऑयल का कोई ऐसा अमाउंट नहीं है, मस्टर्ड ऑयल उतना ऐड करना है टिल द टाइम यू फील कि एक सफिशिएंट पेस्ट बन गया है. यू नीड अ पेस्ट सो दैट यू कैन यूज इट like a toothpaste to rub your gums, to rub your teeth. And this is how, see, it looks. I don't know if you can see this, but this is how it looks. So it's a nice thick paste, it's not very runny. So you know, you can adjust the consistency depending on आप कितना mustard oil इसमें डाल रहे हैं. So this is, you know, something that a paste it can become. And isse now you can, you know, use it like a toothpaste. You can rub your teeth, you can rub your gums morning इसी से, रात को भी इसी से before you go to bed. ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप हर रोज़ का रोज़ बनाएं. What I usually do and what most of my clients do is कि हम 10 दिन 15 दिन का एक साथ बना के रख देते हैं in a box, and we usually keep it you know, in the washroom where we brush every day, and you can just use it. So you don't have to really make it every day. रेशियो जो है, अगर आप 10 दिन का बना रहे हैं तो भी यू हैव टू मेंटेन दैट द रेशियो इज जस्ट लाइक दैट यू नो, नमक इज यू नो 1 टीस्पून, हल्दी इज आधा टीस्पून, एंड मस्टर्ड ऑयल इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंसिस्टेंसी वी वांट, वी डिजायर. So a very simple thing, but it can really bring a lot of changes to your health. First is oil pulling. Use coconut oil or sesame oil and do oil pulling. The second is either use neem instead of toothpaste, or use this haldi and namak ka paste. And very shuddh desi tarika of you know, taking care of your dental health, but it goes a long way in not only having a good mouth. People who have, you know, bad breath, bleeding gums, जिनके थोड़े gums में swelling होते हैं, gums में pain होता है, खाना चबाते वक्त दर्द होता है. In fact people जिनको sensitivity है, like कुछ आइसक्रीम खाया तो sensitivity, झंझनाहट होती है, for all those things, all of these things work really great. Not only this, as I said, if you have none of the dental issues, but if you still really want to lose weight, then you should take care of your dental health, because not many people will tell you, not even experts will tell you, but it is quite well established scientifically that until and unless you have good dental health, it becomes very difficult to take care of your you know, weight loss goals and also other diseases, चाहे किसी भी तरह के हो. In fact, a lot of people experience infertility, basically natural pregnancy में तकलीफ होना, that also has been linked to poor dental health. So for more reasons than one, we should go ahead with this. So from me, this is it for today, and I'm just going to see if there are any questions. Can I use neem oil instead of neem twig? Okay, so I mean, neem oil you can use, but I mean, just using neem oil, I don't think that, you know, you will be able to get a complete cleanliness. You know, the twigs which are there, वो it acts more like a toothbrush. तो जब हम वो ट्विग्स को ऐसा अंदर करते हैं, राइट, व्हेन यू यूज इट यू विल रियलाइज कि क्योंकि उसमें वो थोड़ा एक फोर्स होता है, इट्स मोर लाइक यू रबिंग अ टूथब्रश. सो ऑल दोज फूड पार्टिकल्स दैट आर लॉज्ड, जिसके वजह से हम ब्रश करते हैं, हम ब्रश करने का कारण क्या है, टू कि हम जो खाना खाते हैं वो फूड लॉजिंग जो हो जाता है वो वहाँ से निकल सके. सो दैट लॉजिंग, दैट डिसलॉजिंग एक्चुअली इट विल नॉट हैपन विद जस्ट द ऑयल, right? The oil का काम जो है, that already coconut oil is doing. You're doing the oil pulling. So I don't see that we can replace the neem twigs with the neem oil. What you can do is replace the neem twigs with this, as I explained, but I don't think you can replace that with the neem oil. The second question is by Saransh. For winters, I need to heat coconut oil to bring it to liquid state only, or warm before oil pulling. Yeah, of course, for oil pulling you need the coconut oil in a liquid state. So आप जिस जगह रहते हैं, it really depends कि वहाँ कितनी ठंड है. तो अगर आपका ऑयल जो है, कोकोनट ऑयल जो है, वो सॉलिड स्टेट में हो गया, देन ऑफ कोर्स यू नीड टू मेल्ट इट. एंड उसको मेल्ट करने का तरीका ये नहीं है कि आप उसको डायरेक्ट गैस पे चढ़ा दें. उसको मेल्ट करने का तरीका ये है कि आप उसको डबल बॉइलिंग बोलते हैं उसको. सो बेसिकली आप एक पतीले में पानी गर्म करें, एंड वो जो पानी गर्म है उसमें आप अपने कोकोनट ऑयल का बॉक्स, डब्बा जो रख दें. and then it will automatically melt, and then you can use it for oil pulling. So don't heat the oils directly, use this indirect method. Okay, so a lot of requests for people to join in the video. I think we will do this as a separate video where I can ask people to join in. Thank you. So there's somebody who has said that the book is amazing. This is Nicotine, says amazing book. Thank you so much. Feeling great. Oh great. So I just wanted to know about this, if somebody has done the Kriya and how they are feeling. So there's somebody, Prachi Sancheti, says she feels great. So lovely guys. So keep up with the project. आप जो भी करते हैं, keep me updated. You can post your feedback in the comments. You can take pictures, and you can use the hashtag 10 weeks of Yuktahar project, and you can tag me, and I'm going to repost them in my stories, so that everyone feels motivated. It feels great when we see a lot of people doing the same stuff that we are doing. So it's always helpful. And I'm going to take a leave, and I'm going to meet you as usual tomorrow 6 p.m. Thank you.